Hello friends, my name is Pawan. I have purchased this in my 43 inches TV from Amazon, and today I will be reviewing this. This is the purchase invoice. The price is 21,999, and this is a package received from Amazon. You can see the bills, and this is a box we received from Amazon. So let's start unboxing of this product. First of all, we will be a technician has reached us to set up this particular TV, and he will be doing the total setup. So you can see, so this is the invoice of the product. You can see the details over here. So he's opening the seal of the TV. So the TV model is LED TV 4A Pro MI Full HD. So nicely packed, and you can see the TV, LED TV what we have received, the box. So let's power up this particular TV first to check whether it is working or not. So simply plug on this power slot for this TV and switch on the button at the bottom. You can see the TV is switching on. It takes few seconds to switch on. And as it is working, so we will be continuing the next process to mount this TV to the wall or to the TV unit. So first of all, we will need to fix the braces, the TV stand to this. So this is the additional thing we need to take from the technician. So it charges 500 rupees for this stand. So you need to first of all fix the parallel rods to this TV, so that using this you can fix the TV to the TV furniture or to the wall. You can mount to the wall easily. So once it is done, so next you need to mark the holes on the wall. We have set up this one back side to the TV. Now you can see the brace, the mounting brace is to be fixed onto the furniture. So we need to mark the mount unit based on the level and the size of the TV. So you can put a mark on the furniture, on the wall, and you can start drill the holes to fix this TV mount stand. Now you can start checking the level of this mount. The level is very important, because if it is not in level, then the TV will be shown visible cross. So once it is done, you can start and screw it up. the drill bit and simply screw the stand. Let's see. So it's your wish. So you can put nearly 4 to 6 screws to fix this particular mount, TV mount to the furniture or wall. So once it is done, so now you can simply put on your TV to the stand. So it is mounted. So now we are adjusting the remote, setting up the remote. You need to press 2 buttons to map to the remote. Once it is connected to the TV, you can see the number of ports available on the TV. You can check, connect to the Wi-Fi. You can sign up with your Google account so that you can have voice Google Assistant, using which you can search for the songs or you can open applications. Overall, it's a very user-friendly TV due to voice remote. Observed pros and cons. Thank you.
Are you an online buyer? Please share your purchase experience by reviewing it or uploading videos on revexpo.com and get up to 40% cash rewards on your purchase price. Why are you waiting for? Start reviewing or help other online buyers to decide whether to buy that product or not. Thank you.